With technology constantly evolving, gaming laptops are as powerful as they can be nowadays, and there are tons of instances where one can even outperform a full-blown gaming laptop. With so many choices and so many variants to choose from, we've handpicked the 7 most powerful gaming laptops you can get for yourself right now. So, without further ado, let's begin. First up, from Razer we have the Blade 18, a powerhouse gaming laptop that promises an immersive and fluid gaming experience. With its 18-inch Quad HD plus 240Hz display, gamers can indulge in crisp visuals and buttery smooth gameplay thanks to the ultra-fast refresh rate and 100% DCI-P3 color space. For the specs, the Blade 18 packs a punch with the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13950HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, delivering desktop-grade performance in a portable form factor. The RTX 40 series GPU, with a TGP of up to 175 watts, unleashes the full potential of DLSS 3, ray tracing, and the Max-Q suite, ensuring a quantum leap in gaming performance. With ultra-fast 5200 MHz RAM and up to 8 TB of storage, the Blade 18 offers lightning-quick load times and ample space for your game library and creative projects. The laptop's CNC aluminum chassis not only exudes a premium look, but also ensures durability and rigidity. Razer has also prioritized thermal efficiency with the largest vapor chamber they've ever created, paired with a triple fan system, keeping temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the array of ports and connectivity options make it a versatile machine for both gaming and content creation on the go, and one of the most powerful laptops to exist. From Asus, the ROG Scar is an absolute unit of a laptop that comes packing the latest Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and the monstrous NVIDIA RTX 4090 laptop GPU. Its stunning mini LED display delivers exceptional visuals, with incredible brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. The unique design sets it apart, with an aggressive aesthetic that screams gaming prowess. While the build quality may not match other premium laptops, and the 720p camera is a letdown, the Scar 16 delivers uncompromised performance for the most demanding games. If you're a gamer willing to splurge, this laptop is an absolute powerhouse. Up next, we have the Titan from MSI, dubbed MSI Titan 18HX, which acts as a gaming laptop that promises to unleash unparalleled dominance in the world of high-performance computing. This gigantic desktop replacement is a powerhouse designed for enthusiast gamers and professionals seeking the utmost in raw power and performance, albeit at a premium price tag. At the heart of this beast lies the latest 14th Gen Intel Core i9-HX series processor, boasting a high core count and lightning-fast speeds, delivering the responsiveness and speed that gamers and power users crave. Complementing this powerhouse CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, powered by the cutting-edge Ada architecture, which unleashes the full glory of ray tracing, simulating realistic lighting and shadows for an unparalleled gaming experience. The Titan 18HX also boasts a stunning 18-inch 4K UHD mini LED display, offering a wide color gamut, vivid colors, and fast response times, ensuring that every game and visual experience is truly immersive. To top it off, MSI has implemented the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, enabling lightning-fast wireless speeds for seamless streaming, downloads, and online gaming experiences. While the Titan 18HX commands a sky-high price tag, it promises to deliver an uncompromising level of performance for those seeking the ultimate in gaming and computing power. Now for an out-of-this-world performance, you should check out the Alienware M18R2, a gaming powerhouse that promises an immersive and unforgettable experience for enthusiasts. Packing the latest 14th Gen Intel Core processors, including the beastly Core i9-14900HX and NVIDIA's top-of-the-line RTX 40 series GPUs, with the RTX 4090 running at a jaw-dropping 175-watt TGP, this laptop is designed to handle even the most demanding gaming titles with ease. The display options are equally impressive, with a choice between a silky smooth 165Hz Quad HD Plus panel, or a lightning-fast 480Hz FHD Plus display, both featuring G-Sync technology for tear-free gameplay. The M18R2 also boasts a 1080p webcam, Wi-Fi 7 support, and a generous 97 watt-hour battery to keep you gaming on the go. Alienware has paid attention to the finer details as well, offering customizable keyboard switches that let you choose between scissor or ultra-low profile Cherry MX mechanical switches for a personalized typing experience. The laptop's connectivity options are top-notch, with 3 USB-A ports, 3 USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, mini DisplayPort, an SD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. With up to 64 GB of blazing fast 5200 MHz DDR5 RAM and a whopping 8 TB of SSD storage in RAID 0 configuration, the M18R2 is a true powerhouse that can handle multitasking and storage-intensive tasks with ease. While its premium features come at a premium price, the Alienware M18R2 is a gaming laptop that delivers an uncompromising experience for those who demand nothing but the best. From Gigabyte, the Aorus 17X is a gaming powerhouse that packs the best hardware the laptop market currently offers into a remarkably slim form factor, promising an unparalleled experience for the most demanding enthusiasts. It boasts the formidable combination of NVIDIA's top-of-the-line GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU and Intel's beastly Core i9-13900HX processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless handling of even the most resource-intensive games and applications. Complementing this powerful duo is a generous 32 GB of blazing-fast DDR5 5600 RAM and a spacious 2 TB Gen 4 M2 SSD, providing ample memory and storage for multitasking and storing your extensive game library. The visual experience is equally impressive, with a stunning 17.3 inches Quad HD IPS display that delivers a crisp 2560 by 1440 resolution, a silky smooth 240 Hz refresh rate, and a vibrant 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring that every game looks its absolute best. Gigabyte has also paid attention to the finer details, incorporating Dolby Atmos audio technology, a built-in microphone, and powerful speakers for an immersive audio experience, making the Aorus 17X a true gaming powerhouse in a sleek package. Then again, as a 17-inch gaming powerhouse, the Acer Predator Triton 17X is an incredibly capable laptop, benefiting from the tremendous power of its Intel i9-13900HX CPU and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU. This tough and well-built laptop boasts an outstanding Quad HD Plus mini LED display with a super-fast 240 Hz refresh rate, 3 ms response time, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, NVIDIA G-Sync, and HDR 1000 support for stunning visuals. Under the hood, it packs 32 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, a 1 TB Gen 4 PCIe NVMe SSD, and an excellent port selection including USB-A, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, an SD card reader, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. Despite its powerful hardware, the Triton 17X maintains a sleek and portable design, weighing just 6.61 pounds and measuring 0.86 inches thick, making it a true gaming beast on the go. And finally, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is our final contender for the most powerful gaming laptop to get right now. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7y leaves no stone unturned in delivering an uncompromising experience, and comes powered by the cutting-edge 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, with blazing speeds up to 5.8 GHz, and the monstrous NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU packing 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This machine is designed to tackle even the most demanding games and applications with ease. The robust hardware is complemented by a generous 32 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM and a massive 2 TB of lightning-fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage in RAID 0 configuration, ensuring seamless multitasking and rapid load times. The stunning 16-inch IPS display with a blistering 240Hz refresh rate, HDR 400 support, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut provides an immersive visual experience, while the 1080p FHD webcam with dual microphones and an electronic privacy shutter ensures crystal clear video conferencing. Running on the latest Windows 11 home operating system, Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is a true gaming beast that delivers an unparalleled combination of raw power, cutting-edge visuals, and premium features in a sleek and portable package. So those were our picks for the 7 most powerful gaming laptops you should not miss out on. Which one of these laptops would you pick and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.